Morning. We are waking up in Tennessee, in Knoxville this morning, and we are heading to Pigeon Forge. We're going to do a little drive this morning, check out that area, and then we are going to go to a little, I think it's called the Parrot Gardens. No, Parrot Mountain and Gardens or something, where you get to interact with the birds. The girls are really excited about that. Dollywood's over there, but I'm not 100% sure we're going to tackle that today. We're just going to kind of check out the area. We might go to the island and get something to eat and kind of check out a little bit of the area. So we'll record a little bit of the road. Okay, we just got to Parrot Mountain. You excited, Emily?
Yes, and I just heard meow.
You could hear the birds?
Yeah, we're very excited. You hear one bird peep.
Yeah, we heard, we're at Parrot Mountain. You guys excited?
I heard it say meow, not beep.
Okay.
I saw those flowers.
Yeah, we were gonna try the island, but it was a little packed, so we figured we'd come check this out. It is Father's Day weekend, so it's kind of busy everywhere. We're on a mountain, so we're gonna go. We're gonna see if we can. Oh, pretty bird.
Got there, guys.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Those are pretty, huh?
These two over here are matching.
I think he likes you. He's trying to get close to you. Oh, pretty.
Look at his eye.
Turn around.
Hi, buddy. Oh, he took off. Hi, pretty bird.
Wow, look at this guy.
They are beautiful. Pretty bird. Hi, pretty boy.
I want to get some food.
Hi, pretty bird.
Do they fly?
Yeah, well, if you, oh, those are beautiful peacocks. Aren't they gorgeous? Look how pretty.
Do they want fly?
We can go in there, but we have to be quiet. So.
Okay, you ready? It's the secret garden.
You gotta stay quiet.
Okay, let's go. Secret garden. Opens. Oh, beautiful.
Quarter in there? Alright, then we'll hit yours. Just put your hand right here, Emily.
Thank you, Maddie.
You want to jump back up there?
I know.
He likes that one.
Alright, just a handful of food here, guys. Well, they're just checking to see if you are going to move when they go to step on you, or... Hello! Hi! So cool. Hi! So cool. Thank you.
What do you got, Maddie? You got a bird. Hey, Maddie. Look at me. Say cheese. You got a bird?
Yeah.
Alright, how'd we do, guys?
That was
What do you guys
so
think?
much fun.
Yeah, was that fun? You guys have fun?
Yeah, let's go find the nectar.
The nectar. We're off to find the nectar.
Hold on to it when they get nervous.
Here we go. Here we go, guys. What do you got?
Okay, thank you very
We got some
much.
nectar.
All right, here we go.
And just make your way towards the middle.
Hi. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Here, follow me. And now you guys can come
Dad. Oh my gosh. Wow, girls. Walking, Emily. Oh my gosh, look at this, Dad.
How we doing it, everybody?
Wow, girls, isn't this amazing?
Look at all the
oh my
birds.
gosh, I just got I just got it right down my
Mom
front.
got pooped on.
It's warm.
What do you got, Emily?
Somebody got me. Let me see. You're okay. There's poop and pee on me right there. Oh, is that funny?
Emily's got it down her head.
They got us a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Was that so funny? There we go. All right, we did it. Was that fun?
We are just taking a few minutes in the prayer garden to be grateful. And it is so peaceful here. It's really cool. They've put some benches in and some quiet area for people to pray or meditate or practice gratitude. So we just stopped for a few minutes as a family for some quiet time and to enjoy this. It's gorgeous. All right. We just finished up. What do you guys think? What'd you think? So much fun. We just finished up at Parrot Mountain and it was a blast. Beautiful. We got to feed some birds. We got to hold some birds. And we got to see some really nice, yes, we got pooped on. Thanks, Dad. Me and Emily got pooped on. That was your favorite part?
Yes.
Did you guys have a good time?
What?
Did you guys have a good time?
I had a good time.
What was your favorite part, Daddy?
All of it.
Oh, you had to pick one favorite. What was your favorite part?
Watching you guys get pooped on.
Yeah.